My wildest AI prediction for 2027 has nothing to do with ChatGPT. It's the fucking Philippines. Seriously. While Silicon Valley is having another nerd fight over whose model is 2.7% smarter, the Philippines is making a way bigger bet. 4,000 acres in New Clark City tied to Pax Silica. And not 4,000 acres of co working spaces, pitch decks, beanbags, and dudes saying ecosystem every 6 fucking minutes. I'm talking power, chips, factories, data centers, manufacturing, engineers, infrastructure, real shit. Because here's what I think everyone is missing: AI has to live somewhere. The cloud isn't actually a cloud, it's a giant fucking building sitting on dirt, inhaling electricity, drinking water, stuffed with expensive chips, connected to everything by fiber. Somebody has to build that. Somebody has to power it. Somebody gets the jobs. Somebody gets the factories. Somebody gets the supply chain. And the Philippines basically looked around the room and said, fuck it, build it here. I think that's going to matter a lot more in 2027 than another model release. My prediction is that by the end of 2027, New Clark City becomes one of the most watched AI infrastructure experiments on the planet. Not because the Philippines builds the next chat GPT, because they figured out early that the real AI race is about to move from models to geography. Where does the intelligence physically live? Who powers it? Who has the land? Who has the engineers? Who can actually get shit built? And yeah, they could fuck this up spectacularly. The water questions are real. The power questions are real. The land questions are real. If foreign companies get rich while Filipino farmers get screwed, then congratulations, you didn't build the future. You built a giant fucking server farm with a PR department. So show the math, protect the water, train Filipino engineers, put local companies in the contracts, make sure Filipinos actually own some of the upside. But stopping because it's complicated, I think that would be insane. Fix it and fucking build. Because here's my second prediction: sometime in 2027, other countries in Southeast Asia are going to start looking around and saying, oh shit, Vietnam, Malaysia, Indonesia, everybody is going to want their version. AI economic zones, dedicated power, data centers, semiconductor facilities, robotics, advanced manufacturing. Countries are going to start competing for AI infrastructure the same way they used to fight for auto plants, except this time the factory is also the brain. And once these ecosystems start clustering, they get sticky as hell. Engineers move there, suppliers move there, capital moves there, universities adapt, roads get built, power gets built, more companies come because the other companies are already there. Then 5 years later, everybody calls it obvious. It wasn't obvious. Somebody just moved first. And here's my biggest prediction for 2027: AI becomes a land grab, not some Mad Max shit with billionaires fighting over rice fields, an economic land grab, countries fighting over cheap power, governments bending over backwards for compute, cities designing entire districts around AI, energy becoming economic development, compute becoming national security, and some giant piece of land in the Philippines that most Americans couldn't point to on a fucking map suddenly matters more to the future of AI than another glass office building in San Francisco. That sounds crazy until you realize AI is becoming physical. 2023 was, holy shit, chat GPT. 2024 was bigger models. 2025 was agents. 2026 is infrastructure. My bet is 2027 is geography. And I think the Philippines is early, messy as fuck, probably going to make mistakes, definitely going to piss people off, but early. And I'd rather be early in fixing problems than perfectly prepared for an opportunity that already moved to another country. So remember Pax Silica, remember New Clark City, because I think sometime in 2027, people are going to start talking about this like it suddenly became important. It didn't suddenly become important. The Philippines just had the balls to raise its fucking hand before everybody else understood what they were raising it for.